Yeah, YouTube, what's good? What's good? It's your boy, Mr. Sam Snizzle for Shizzle. We back up in the house one more time, man. It's been a while. I know everybody been asking me about the tutorials. What's up with them? All on the Instagram. So here you go. You know, I created this one the other day. So this is a light fade. You know, and then I balled it out at the end of it. So it's pretty much a great cut that is typical in the barber game right now. So, you know, on your mark, we gonna get ready, we gonna get it set, and we gonna get it going. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. Clean the clippers first, always. You don't want to leave no bumps on the neck or nothing like that. Open guard, no guard. We're going to draw our first guide. All right. Right across right there. And here we go. We're going to do that all around. And you know, when you're cutting hair, you want to cut hair like a typewriter. You know what I'm saying? And then after we draw our first guide, we're going to close it up. And then we're going to clean up underneath right away. So when you're doing this, you know that it's gonna have your fade looking clean already, because most people wait till the end and then, you know, it's just too much. So you want to clean that area right underneath your first guideline right away. Close it up. You don't want to go all the way to the top of the guideline. You want to go close to the top, and then you blend out the rest. All right, next step, 1.5. You're going to take the 1.5 all the way up. Now, when you moving your clipper, you always want to look inside the blade, because the teeth is going to go a little bit further up, because the cut blade is going to be right on the line. All right, so always make sure you do that when you cutting with a clip. Look into the blade. And then my favorite, the clip over comb. This is called a flat top comb. And you use it as if you're doing a flat top. So when you pull in your comb, the black solid part of the comb is resting on the side of the hair. So you're not really angling in. You just see, I'm pulling it, and the black part of the comb is resting on the head, and I'm cutting the excess. So that's how the clip and comb go. And you know, practice make perfect with your clip-in comb, because the clip-in comb could be guards 1 through 6, right? As long as you know how to use it the right way. So the more you play around with the clip-in comb, the more better you're gonna get at using the clip-in comb to cut your hair. You could probably cut a whole head clip-in comb, depending on how you know how to use your clip-in comb. So it's practice make perfect, but you know, it skips a lot of steps, because after the 1.5, that's my go-to, the clip-in comb. So I'm gonna just chime out, let you enjoy a couple of that Strictly Skills sound. That's me in the background. That's Sneed. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And don't forget to follow the barbershop page on Instagram. Also, I just turned the barbershop to Strictly Skills Hair Studio, because I just renovated my shop and I did it over. All right, so that's why you see all that exposed brick in the background, and it's a real nice spot. So you know, I invested in myself. So that's what you want to do when you own in business. You want to invest back in the business to where the business could work for you. All right. Yeah, so now the next step, we're going to jump to the 1, and we're going to continue to soften up that blend right there. Because at the end of the day, you just softening up the blend until there's no more line. So you want to, on the line, you want to go like close clipper. And the more you go towards the top, you want to open it up just for safety. And when I say safety, you don't want you don't want the fade to be unbalanced like that. So when you open it up towards the top, yeah, you wanna get out the line. You just wanna soften up the blend, but you do not wanna create an extra line that you're gonna have to take out. So, but I'm mixing it up, a little bit of one, a little bit of clipper and comb. So I'm just using every part of my arsenal to create a perfect fade, because clips alone cannot give you those fades that you be seeing on Instagram, those perfect looking fades. So, and like when you're doing fades like this, the corner, the both corners, left and right, are the most important part, because you barely using a full blade to soften up this blend and get all the spots out. So, and then I'm switching to the no guard, and I'm pretty much blending out that excess little light line right there that's left. So I'm just doing that, and I'm moving around. So if you want to see like exactly what I'm doing, then, or if you want me to describe it, that's what it is. So I mean, I ain't been on here in a while. You know what I'm saying? I ain't really get to kick it with y'all in a while. So, I mean, we just been working and, just getting to the business, man. I revamped the shop because I added so much services to my repertoire that I was having inventory that I didn't have space to keep it. So at the end of the day, something had to change. I see, if you look in the back, you see the color bar over there with the sink and the retractable dryers, real upscale stuff. So, business have to elevate, the movement gotta move, everything is everything. And you see what I'm doing. I'm still softening up the blend with the one, using the corners, whether it's the left corner or the right corner. Right. So we just get into that, man, and then we're gonna finish it off with a nice crispy line for the young Chris. All right.
Now it's the life later. Coming to your barbershop screaming hi hater. Might think we nice guys, cause I pull up outside with the white 5, with the white eyes. Z the great in the spaceship. We don't only cut hair, boy, we take trips. Round your city, round your whole world. We might do a 360 round your old girl. Make a toes curl. Older barber with the slick talk. We the best, boy, why you talking shit for?
Yeah, so now before you do any line, you always want to debulk the hairline. Like when it comes to your liners and your trimmers, like when you go to do the line, you don't want to have to do no debulking with your liners. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you could do it if it's just a little bit extra that you missed, but you always want to debulk the line. And when I say debulk the line, like get all that fluff off of the line. So when you're ready to make your mark, you don't have to cut through bulk to do it. You could just use your clipper and make your mark, and this will have your hairline sharp for a long time, and the haircut will last a lot longer. Also, because when the line wears off, the hairs is still in place, so it's not like hair is hanging over and stuff like that. So with the debulking, that's the good thing about that. And the easiest way to do a lineup is to do the two ends on first, and then put the top on the bridge. And I gotta give Shorty the sauce, the enhancements, because when you see those haircuts on Instagram, they have enhancements. So don't be one of those barbers out there knocking enhancements when you have the opportunity to upsell a client, right? You could say, listen, oh, you want that? That's the haircut you want? All right, cool. Well, that haircut also have enhancements in it. So I'm going to have to charge you a little bit extra for the enhancement part. So it's going to be a haircut and enhancement. So if you charge, like me, I charge 40 for the kids. So if I charge 40 for the kids and they getting enhancements, then it might be an extra $10 to $15 extra. So you got the opportunity to upsell. So don't be out there knocking what the beauty game, barber game has to offer when it gives you the opportunity to upsell product, upsell more services. You dig me? So that's what you have to do. And people want those perfect haircuts. So you cannot achieve that most of the time without using enhancements. At the end of the day, the haircut have to be good under the enhancement. Like, don't use the enhancement to make your cut, but use the enhancement to enhance their cut. You see what I'm saying? So that's all I'm saying. And then, you know, a little fine tuning. When you're a perfectionist, sometimes you just go over stuff. You see some hair sticking out, a little bit of clipper and comb, and get to it real quick. You know? So Lil Chris looking a whole lot different from when he came in, from when he walked through them doors. So, you know, the Strictly Skills sauce, man. Don't forget to follow my YouTube channel, like, comment, share it, and, you know, see you later. Out of here. Peace.
Coming to your barbershop screaming, hi hater.